At MacLean Power Systems, we know that every connection counts. That is why we designed our groundbreaking Strength Squared Coupler. The Strength Squared Coupler design allows for faster and safer installation, since crews do not have to worry about painstakingly aligning bolt holes and potentially dangerous pinch points. It excels in large tension and compressive load scenarios due to its higher torque capacities. Our coupler transfers all torque through the internal corners of the coupling, instead of through the coupling bolts like competitors' designs. The couplers bottom out, transferring all the compressive load through the entire pipe wall and to the helices. It eliminates low torque capacities, double shear-on bolts, and bolt hole egging, with traditional pipe piles that have plagued engineers and contractors. The MacLean Power Systems Strength Squared Coupler is ICC approved and available for all 2/7/8" 3.5" and 4.5" helical pipe piles. Contact an MPS MacLean Power Systems sales rep today to find out more or to schedule a demo.